on a bright morning filled with sunshine and laughter, Crayon the friendly dinosaur stepped into the playground with a curious smile. Today felt special, like a day full of new beginnings. Kids ran past him, playing games and sharing secrets. But Crayon noticed something important that others didn't see. Near the tall slide, a new child stood alone. He held a small backpack tightly. His eyes followed the other kids, wishing he could join them. Crayon felt a gentle tug in his heart. Making new friends can feel exciting, but it can also feel a little scary. Crayon walked slowly toward the child and knelt down with a warm smile. "Hello," he said softly. "My name is Crayon." The child looked up, surprised. Then he whispered his name. Crayon could tell this was a moment that mattered, a moment many kids watching would understand. The playground was full of noise, but this small corner felt quiet and safe. Crayon gently said, "Did you know that making friends starts with one small step?" The child blinked, listening carefully. Crayon let the moment breathe, building curiosity and comfort. Crayon pointed toward a group of kids, laughing together. "They weren't friends on their first day either," he said. "Friendship begins when you smile, say hello, and share a little kindness." His words felt simple, but they carried big meaning. The child took a deep breath, still unsure. Crayon nodded encouragingly. "It's okay to feel nervous," he said. "Everyone feels that way when meeting new people. Being brave doesn't mean you're not scared. It means you try anyway." Crayon stood up and waved gently to the group playing nearby. "Would you like to meet them together?" he asked. The child hesitated, then nodded slowly. That small nod was the beginning of something wonderful. As they walked toward the group, Crayon whispered, "Making new friends doesn't mean being perfect. It means being kind, listening, and being yourself." The child's steps became a little lighter, filled with growing confidence. The kids looked over, curious about the new face. Crayon smiled brightly and said, "Everyone, this is a new friend." The air felt hopeful, like the start of a happy story waiting to unfold. In that moment, Crayon knew this day would teach a powerful lesson. That friendship begins with courage, kindness, and one brave hello. And the playground was ready to welcome something beautiful. The group of children paused their game. They looked at the new child with curious eyes. For a second, the air felt still. Then one kid smiled and waved back. That simple smile made everything feel easier. Like a door quietly opening, Crayon gently encouraged the new child forward. "You can say hello," he whispered. The child swallowed his nervousness and said, "Hi." His voice was soft, but it was brave. Crayon nodded proudly, knowing that first word was a big step. One of the kids rolled a bowl toward the new child. "Do you want to play?" he asked. The bowl stopped right at the child's feet. His eyes widened with surprise and happiness. Crayon felt warmth spread through his chest. The child kicked the ball back. Laughter followed. Just like that, the space between them disappeared. Crayon watched as the children began to play together. Their movements were clumsy at first, then joyful and free. As the game continued, Crayon noticed the new child starting to relax. His shoulders dropped. His smile grew wider. His laugh sounded real and bright. Friendship was beginning to bloom, right before everyone's eyes. Crayon sat nearby, watching closely. He wanted the kids to learn something important. Making friends doesn't happen all at once. It grows slowly, through shared moments, kind words, and simple games. Soon the game changed. Someone suggested building a tower with blocks. The kids gathered together, sharing ideas, sharing pieces. Crayon saw the new child offering blocks to others, learning that sharing builds friendship too. One child accidentally knocked the tower over. Everyone gasped. For a moment, it looked like someone might get upset. But then the new child laughed and said, Let's build it again." The others laughed too. Crayon smiled. Knowing patience was part of friendship, Crayon leaned back and whispered, "Friends aren't people who never make mistakes. They're people who try again together." The words floated gently, settling into young hearts. As the sun climbed higher, the playground buzzed with laughter and teamwork. Crayon knew this small moment would become a memory, a reminder that kindness and courage can turn strangers into friends. As the children kept playing, Crayon noticed the new child listening carefully to everyone. He nodded when others spoke. He waited his turn. Crayon smiled, knowing that listening helps friends feel valued. Soon, a small disagreement began. It was about whose turn it was to use the blocks. The new child felt nervous again. He wasn't sure what to do. Crayon gently stepped closer. He watched quietly. He wanted the child to learn how friendships grow through understanding. The new child took a deep breath and said, "We can take turns." The words were simple, but they carried kindness. The other kids agreed. The problem disappeared just as quickly as it had appeared. Crayon felt proud. Making friends wasn't about being loud or perfect. It was about being fair, patient, and caring. Small choices were shaping big hearts. Nearby, 2 kids were drawing pictures with crayons on the ground. They invited the new child to join them. He picked a color and started drawing carefully. He smiled as the others complimented his picture. Crayon noticed his confidence growing with every kind word. Crayon walked around the playground, watching friendships form. He saw kids sharing snacks, cheering for each other, helping when someone fell. Every kind action made the playground feel safer and happier. Suddenly, the new child tripped while running. He scraped his knee. For a moment, he looked scared. Before Crayon could move, 2 kids ran over. They helped him up gently. "Are you okay?" they asked. The new child nodded. He felt cared for. Crayon watched this moment closely. Friendship wasn't just about fun. It was about being there when things went wrong. The new child smiled through his tears and said, "Thank you for helping me." The kids smiled back. Crayon could see trust growing between them. As the afternoon moved on, the new child no longer stood alone. He laughed, he played, he felt included. Crayon knew this was what true friendship looked like. Connection built through kindness, patience, and care. As the sun began to lower in the sky, the playground glowed with soft golden light. Crayon sat on a bench, watching the children play together. The new child laughed freely now. He no longer held his backpack so tightly. Friendship had found its way into his heart. Crayon stood up and clapped gently. "Everyone did a wonderful job today," he said softly. "You showed kindness, patience, and courage." The children gathered around him. Their faces were bright with pride and happiness. One child asked, "Crayon, how do we keep our friends?" Crayon smiled thoughtfully. "You keep friends by listening, sharing, being honest, and caring about their feelings," he replied. The kids nodded. They took the lesson into their hearts. The new child stepped forward and said, "I was scared at first, but you all made me feel welcome." His voice was full of gratitude. The other kids smiled. They felt proud of their kindness. Crayon's heart felt warm and full. Parents nearby watched with gentle smiles. They could see how much their children had grown in just one day. The playground felt like a safe place, filled with trust, love, and joyful learning. Crayon looked around and said quietly, "Making new friends doesn't happen by magic. It happens when you choose kindness, even when it feels hard." His words settled softly in the air. The children began saying goodbye. They waved to one another. They promised to play again tomorrow. The new child waved too. His smile was bright and confident. He wasn't alone anymore. As the playground grew quieter, Crayon took a deep breath and smiled. Today had been a success. Hearts had opened. Fears had faded. New friendships had begun. Crayon walked toward the path home, feeling grateful. He knew tomorrow would bring new chances to help, new lessons to share, and new friendships to grow. With a gentle step and a hopeful heart, Crayon disappeared down the path. He left behind a playground filled with laughter, connection, and the beautiful promise of friendship.